manufacture of ethanol by hydration of ethene. So you can see that the ethene double carbon bond is broken down and OH and OH group is added right here. Now this compound is ethanol alcohol. Now the conditions are the catalyst is phosphoric acid, the pressure is 60 and the temperature is 300 Celsius. Then we have formation of ethanol by fermentation. So sugar or starch is dissolved in water and yeast is added. Now the mixture is then fermented between 15 and 35 Celsius with the absence of oxygen for a few days. Now yeast contains enzymes that break down starch or sugar to glucose. The yeast respires anaerobically using the glucose to form ethanol and carbon dioxide. Now the yeast are killed off once the concentration of alcohol reaches around 15%. Hence, the reaction vessel is emptied and the process is started again. Now, this is the reason that ethanol production by fermentation is a batch process.